Hello children, here I am again with a new topic of writing section, that is biosketch. So what is a biosketch? A biosketch, short for biographical sketch, is a very short description of a person's life, works, achievement and special character and personality. A biosketch usually highlights what makes that person big, describes special, the important things he or she has done and the difference he or she has made in a particular field. So what is a biosketch? A biosketch is basically a brief description about a person's life. Person's life means his education, his early childhood, what work he has done throughout his life, and the achievement like the success or the honor he has got, and the special character, if some specified or a defined quality he has, or something which is very special about his personality that we all know, come to know about in a biosketch of a person. So biosketch usually highlights what it highlights. It shows, it specifically shows what the person is special about, what important things he has done, he or she has done in a particular field. So what actually we some of the points which are usually included in a biosketch are basically, first is birth and the family background. Birth means where he was born, his family background, his parents, his brothers, sisters, or his life as a child, and then his education, his schooling, his college, his higher degrees, then the achievements and the honors like his success, the awards he has got, or the recognition he has got for doing something important, and the special course means something which he has said and it has become very popular. So these are basic points which are included in a biosketch. Here I have given a sample of a biosketch of Swami Vivekananda, who most of you must be knowing. He was a very renowned monk who has done a lot for the social reforms of the country, right? So before going on to this biosketch, I want you to know some of the important things. When you write a biosketch, it should be inside a box. Making a box is compulsory, and then at the top you write the name of the person for whom you are writing the biosketch, right? And then you will be given clues. All the clues, you will be given additional information about the person, his name, his birth, his early life and his achievements. All information which you will be given in the question, and you have to put them down, construct them into proper sentences, and those sentences will be written down in a proper paragraph form. So first let's see Swami Vivekananda's description which I have given you, and then I will tell you how you have to write the biosketch. So see first all the information, all the notes which have been given here. Name Swami Vivekananda, birth July 12, 1863, Kolkata. Real name Narendranath Datta. He acquired the name of Swami Vivekananda when he became a monk. Means when from the very beginning, from the child, he was not a monk, right? What do you mean by monk? Monk means a sannyasi type. So he was not a monk from the very beginning. He became a monk after some time of his education, after his education, I suppose. So his early life, he was very lively and naughty child, good in studies and sports, studied instrumental and vocal music. He had the spirit of sacrifice and respect for human beings. Education, joined Presidency College, Kolkata, 1879, joined Scottish Church College, Kolkata, 1880, studied philosophy, also studied Western logic, Western philosophy and history of European nation. What are the achievements, what he has done? Founder of Ramakrishna Mission and Vellore Mutt, which are very popular places in Kolkata. Worked for the progress of poor, helpless and the downtrodden. He has always worked for the helpless people, needy people who do not have somebody to take care of, who do not have people to take care of them. So these kind of people. He was a very good orator. He was a very good orator means a good speaker. He had very good communication skills. So now let's see with the help of these notes how I have written the biosketch here. And this is how you people are going to write a biosketch with the help of the notes which you will be provided in a question. So Swami Vivekananda was a great social reformer and a very inspiring personality of India. He was very He was born on January 12, 1863 in Kolkata. As a child, he was very lively and naughty. He was very good in studies as well as in sports. He had great interest in music, so he studied instrumental and vocal music also. He did graduation from Presidency College, Kolkata in 1879 and completed his study in philosophy from Scottish Church College, Kolkata in 1880. He also studied Western logic, Western philosophy and history of European nations. He acquired his name of Vivekanand when he became a monk. He was a powerful orator. I told you, he was a good speaker. Swami Vivekanand was a founder of Ramakrishna Mission and Vellore Mutt in Kolkata. He worked for the progress of poor and the helpless throughout his life. He died on 4th July 1902. So you must have noticed how I have taken all the points which were there in the notes. I have included all the points in this bio sketch, and this is how you are supposed to write a bio sketch. It is not if you add some of the sentences from your side also, it is not going to be wrong. You can add on sentences, but it should be related to the person about whom you are writing here, right? If you know any other information also, you can put it here in the bio sketch. That will not be wrong, but it should include all the clues which are there, which will be given in the question. So this is how you are supposed to write a bio sketch. Hope you have all understood. You need to write down this bio sketch in your fair notebooks. Thank you for now.